Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got a post review for you of the first canvas I have completed from YLJ Art Shop. I will pop a link to my original unboxing for you so you can check that out if you haven't already. So this canvas was Enchanting Butterfly Girl in round. It was completed as part of the Phoenix Fantasy 24 event, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's have a look. So it is a 30 by 30 and I think that was true to size. Let's just check. Yeah, so it was a true 30 by 30 in round. Sorry, you can't see that at all. Let's move you out a little bit. There we go. And yeah, obviously, she is only a small canvas, but I am pretty pleased with that render. I think if I could go back in time, I'd get her one size bigger, just so that some of the butterflies had a little bit better definition. But on the whole, for the size, I think she's gorgeous. This face render is incredibly good. And yeah, I had a great time working on her. So yeah, there were some things that I looked at and I was like, oh, that's a bit dark, I'm not sure that's gonna work, but I trusted the process and it all came together really nicely. And yeah, those eyes, they just they look right into your soul. Absolutely lovely. Now she is on a soft backed canvas. She was poured glue, 32 colours with 2 ABs. We've got this lovely orangey red AB down here, and then we've got a blue AB up in the other butterflies. So yeah, really lovely. As I say, I think if you'd gone up a size, then that definition will be even crisper, and those butterflies would stand out a little bit more, particularly these 2 brown ones at the top. However, maybe if you go too big, you're going to lose that sort of dreamlike ethereal quality that she's got. So yeah, there is something mysterious and magical about her. So on the whole, super pleased. I did have a couple of symbols that were a problem. Unfortunately, I've covered up the I can't show you. Hang on, can I? Let's peel this back a little bit. Just about. Okay, so you can't really see. I'll bring it down. So this M here, symbol 27, is a dark M on a burgundy background. That was incredibly difficult to spot on the canvas. And there were a couple of times where I thought I'd finished a section and then I'd look at it and I was like, oh no, there's one missing there. I've missed that. So that was the only real problem with a dark symbol. And I'm still having trouble showing it to you. There we go. Which I hadn't picked up on when I did the unboxing. The only other problem was, where are they? Can't even see them now. Where's she gone? Ah, right. It was this V here, and also the Y, which is here. So, right. So we've got Y, and we've got the V. They were both dark colours, and obviously they're a very similar shape. I wonder if I can show you better. Let me grab the drills. That's not the right drills. Bear with. Until I get the correct drill. That's better. Okay, yeah, should have done this first. Okay, so yeah, the Y and the V, whilst not hugely similar colours, you know, we've got a brown and a purple, the symbols were next to each other quite a lot, and so just spotting the difference between the two I had to concentrate a little bit more on. And then yeah, it was that, the dark M. I did quite enjoy some of the sillier symbols, like this little, I called it a moustache symbol for the 310, and then the we had a heart for the orange AB, and this lovely blue AB was a little ice skate. So they were quite fun. Everything else was fairly standard. Yeah, no complaints at all. A very enjoyable process, as I say, apart from those couple of tricky symbols. Lots of leftovers, no problem there, and they're all good quality drills that I will be keeping hold of and popping into my spares. So on the whole, really, really lovely. If you want to grab yourself this canvas, it is still available. And if you want to go and take a look at everything else that Alex has created over on the YLJ art shop, it is all his artwork, so do go and check it out. I do have a couple of unboxings coming up, so keep your eyes peeled to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell icon, and then you'll be notified when I do my next unboxing from this company. If you want to go and purchase from them, of course, they have been kind enough to give me a discount code. It is Crafty10 on screen now, and you can go and check that out. So yes, to reiterate, this is Enchanting Butterfly Girl in round 30 by 30. Really, really pleased. So lovely. It's licensed artwork from Alex, free worldwide shipping. Honestly, I can see this company becoming a bit of a big deal. So get in early, be an early adopter, and go check out their site now and let me know what is your favourite canvas on their site. Let me know down in the comments. Always excited to hear other people's opinions. And as always, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I can't wait to show you more in the future, so do remember to subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven. Come on over to Facebook, join the Crafty Coven group over there if you want to chat socially and share pictures of your own progress. If you want to support the channel more directly, pop on over to Patreon, where you can do so from $1 a month. I am really, really happy with this and can't wait to start working on the next one. So until then, stay crafty.